is find the equation of the line through the point 3, 2, which makes an angle of 45 degree with the line x minus 2y is equals to 3. So there is a particular line, this one, right? Which is x minus 2y is equals to 3. From this line, there are lines which makes an angle of 45 degree and there is a point. So from this point, if I will say one is this line which makes an angle of 45 degree with the baseline, there could be one more line only which can make the same angle, right? So it means there are two lines. So we have to work out for the two lines equation. This is the common point, right? And this point I will take as B and this point I'm taking as C. Now, let's talk about these two lines. This is, let's say, L1, this is L2. L1 and L2, they are making the same angle. If they're making the same angle, then their slope would be equal. So we have to work out for the slope for one, and that will be the slope for second one also, right? So let's understand. Now, let's say that about AB and BC we are talking about right now. So the slope of BC is what? We already have the equation. If I will convert this equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c, I can easily find out the slope. So let's me convert. So I am taking x to that side. It will become this and I will divide this, right? So the value will be y is equals to x over 2 minus 3 by 2, right? So whatever you have with x, that is the slope. So slope will be equals to half because x is in multiply with half. So this is the slope for this line BC. Okay, slope of BC. Now we have to work out slope for AB. How to do that? It's very simple. When we have the slope for 1, so we have the angle. So which is tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. So what is theta? Theta is 45 degree. Modulus of m1, which is 1 by 2, m2 we have to find over 1 plus half into m2, right? So tan 45 value is 1, right? Tan 45 value is 1 plus 1. So let me take 1. 1 is equals to, I can take the LCM inside the bracket and just remove the LCM. So 2 is the LCM here, so it 1 minus 2, and here also 2. So 2 cancelling out, so 2 plus m2. Now we have the modulus. So modulus means giving you a positive value, right? So this 1, I will take one time positive and one time negative. And I will solve for what? M2, right? So, oh, now this is not required. So I'm solving it here only, right? So first I will take plus 1 value, then I will take negative 1. So just a second. Yeah, 1 minus twice of m2, 2 plus m2. So when I took the 2 plus m2 there, it will become this one. So when I solved it, it will become 3 m2 is equals to negative 1. So m2 is equals to minus 1 over 3. This is the slope value, one slope value. If I will take its negative 1, so the value will be this one. So when I take that to that 2 plus m2 to that side becomes negative completely. And when I solve it, it will become m2 is equals to 3. So there are two values of m2. One is this one is this one. Now we already have the point that is 3, 2. So we can easily find out the equation of the lines. So the equation of the line, how to find it? It's simple. We know that when we have the point and when we have the slope, we have the general equation in this form. So y minus y1. So this 3, 2. So 2 is this. What is slope? I will take 1 by 3 first and then x minus x1. Now let's solve this. I'm taking 2 directly to that side. It's a minus x by 3. When I open the bracket, this multiply with this, it's plus 1 and plus 1 and plus 2. That gives you minus 3. So this is one of the equation. If I will use the m2 value, second one, so it will be y minus 2 is equals to 3 and x minus 3. So y is equals to, I will open the bracket first and then we'll take 2 that side. So y is equals to 3x minus 7. So these are the two equations of line I got. One is this one and one is this one, right? So yeah, as simple as that. So yes.